Attorney Nate Amendola, criminal law in plain English. What is bail in Massachusetts? In order to understand this, you must first understand that there is a presumption of innocence. That is a fundamental right and a foundation of our criminal justice system. If you are charged with a crime, you are presumed innocent until proven guilty. So the question then becomes, how does all of this presumption of innocence work when you've been arrested or charged with a crime? And that's where bail comes in. So consider the following. If an individual is arrested, they generally are taken back to the police station for processing. Once that processing is complete, one of two things generally happens. That individual is either transported directly to court, or that person is held in the police station overnight in the holding cells and then brought to the court the following morning. In the situation where the person is held there overnight because the arrest happened overnight or after the court is closed, somebody called a bail clerk is called. And the bail clerk comes to the police station, reviews the police report, and sets a bail for that person to either be released if the bail is paid at the jail, at the police station. And so that person, in that case, goes home for the night and then comes back to court the next day. In Massachusetts, there's a nominal fee of $40. And then if the bail commissioner wants to add an additional fee to that, or a bail to that, he or she can. Or there's something called personal recognizance, which is a person's personal promise to appear in court the next day. So the person's held at a police station during a time when the court is not open. Generally speaking, a bail commissioner or bail clerk, will be called or will review the allegations and then set bail, either personal recognizance plus a $40 or a bail fee that is paid at the police station, and that person is released and will go to the court the next day. Once it's not over though, because once you're in court, if there's an arraignment, the district attorney will have an opportunity. The judge will ask the district attorney if there's any question of bail. So again, similar to what happened in the police station, the district attorney has a couple options. And this should be negotiated with somebody's lawyer, but the district attorney can either offer personal recognizance, which is a personal promise to appear back in court to answer for an individual's crimes, or the district attorney can request a bail amount, a dollar figure, and then the defense lawyer and the prosecutor or the assistant district attorney then have what's called an argument. They offer argument in front of the judge, and the judge gets to set bail. The judge can also, on top of personal recognizance, or actually cash bail, can also set conditions of release. So consider the following. An individual comes for their arraignment and the district attorney asks for $500 bail. There's an argument in front of the court relative to whether that $500 is, necessary. And the defense attorney and the district attorney will present their argument, and the judge will decide what to do. Is it $250? Is it personal recognizance? The judge may also add conditions of release, such as stay away, no contact from the alleged victim, remain drug and alcohol free, no contact with minors. There's a myriad of conditions that can be added to a person's bail. Bail is then paid at the clerk's office, and that individual is then free to go. Or if it's personal recognizance, doesn't pay anything, he just tells the court that he promises to come back and answer for his crimes. If cash bail is posted, that bail is returned to the person who posted it at the conclusion of the case. That is how bail works in Massachusetts.